Good morning, Queensland. We've received more encouraging news at our daily pandemic meeting with the Premier today. We have 10 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24-hour period. They are all locally acquired and are all household contacts that can be linked to the Indooroopilly Delta cluster. 5 cases are household contacts of Ironside State School cases, 3 are household contacts of Indooroopilly State High School cases, 2 are household contacts of Brisbane Boys Grammar School cases. 8 were not infectious in the community at all. 2 were infectious in the community for 1 day, and that was during the South East Queensland lockdown period. That brings to 89 the total number of cases in the Indooroopilly Delta cluster, and 1,897 total cases for Queensland, of which 132 remain active. We did 48,028 test samples in the last 24-hour period, which is also a very, very good result. So across the metrics that we're monitoring most closely, the number of cases, the fact that they are linked, the number of infectious days in the community and testing levels, this is a very, very encouraging set of results for the 24-hour period. We now have 8,594 people in home quarantine, and I saw them described this morning as lockdown legends. They are indeed Queensland's lockdown legends, keeping us all safe. Unfortunately, we've seen Victoria go back into lockdown just 7 days after their previous lockdown. That means that we will again apply the hotspot restrictions, reciprocating the Victorian arrangements, so that those arriving from Victoria after 1 a.m. Sunday will need to go into hotel quarantine. Yesterday was also a tragic day for New South Wales, and our hearts go out to everyone in the Greater Sydney area and New South Wales more generally battling the outbreak there. Unfortunately, police report some declining compliance with the mask requirements. If you think about where this outbreak spread, it has spread in places we didn't have masks, schools and in households. And that just underlines how valuable masks have been at controlling spread in other places. And so we really need everybody to comply with those mask wearing requirements. But generally, Queensland, you're doing an amazing job. You're getting tested, you're staying home, you're wearing your masks, you are doing the right thing. I've never been more proud to be a Queenslander than I am when I see these fantastic results. All the indications are that it's working. We just need to keep it up. It's too soon to say what will happen over the next few days and whether we'll be able to ease restrictions on Sunday. I think when you read those heartbreaking stories of parents caring for their children in hospital with COVID-19, it brings home just what it is we're trying to avoid. So the results so far are very, very promising. We need to continue to see low case numbers, all linked, declining infectious days in the community and a high rate of testing. And if we can keep that up, then we will be able to begin to ease these restrictions.